Hi everyone! Welcome back to Chitrolok Art Studio and Academy, the fun place where little artists learn to create big magic with just a pencil and some colors. Today we have something fresh and juicy to draw. Can you guess what it is? Yes, green grapes. Let's jump into the story and start drawing together. Once upon a time, in a sunny vineyard far away, lived a tiny bunch of green grapes. They were small, round, and shiny, just like little green marbles. They weren't just any grapes, they were giggle grapes. Because every time the wind passed through the vineyard, they would shake on their vine and go, hee hee. One day, the youngest grape, named Gogi, looked up and said, I wish someone would draw us. That way, we'd be remembered forever. So today, it's your mission, little artist, to draw Gogi and his giggling grape friends. We'll start with the round shapes, then add the stem, the tiny leaves, and finally, color them with a beautiful shade of green. Make sure you draw each grape with care because they're ticklish. They might laugh if your pencil tickles them too much. Wow! Look at your drawing, it's grape-tastic. Gogi and the whole bunch are smiling because you brought them to life with your art. If you had fun drawing with us today, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share your artwork with friends, and of course, subscribe to Chitrolok Art Studio and Academy for more fun and easy drawing adventures. See you next time, little artists. Keep creating and keep smiling.